What's up? It's 8:27. I'm in my dorm. I'll show you guys my dorm at a later time because right now it ain't looking too hot. And I'm with my my friends, more friends. That's Marie. That's David. But yeah, we're just gonna hang out. They're playing with my question ball.
What's your favorite fish?
And we're probably gonna play Cards Against Humanity. So I will see you guys a little bit later. More friends. Who are you?
I'm Jaleel.
Who's that?
That's Marcos. I don't know, he doesn't want to talk to the camera right now. He's a little bit shy.
It's like a puzzle game.
See?
Well, I don't know if everyone can reach. So
They're making me really angry.
We need 10 cards each to start.
Okay, well, I'll get more out. Okay.
Wait, so I'm reading the bottom one first?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Dear Sir or Madame, we regret to inform you that the Office of the Blood of Christ has denied your request for coat hanger abortion. Who wrote this one?
That would actually make sense.
Walking to class, first day of classes. Say hi.
Yo, what's good, guys?
It's so cold.
Cool.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys later. Bye. What's up? It's like 3-something, right?
Yeah.
3-something, yeah.
3:40.
3:40, and I am about to start getting ready for my basketball game, and you guys will just watch me get ready and whatnot. I have a friend.
Right here, what you need to be. Compliment my style, you flyin' with the captain of the team. Now move right there. In reverse, girl, back that up. Rollin' with me and like that up. And the rest is history right there. Baby girl.
It's game day. Are you guys excited? Are you excited? Super excited. Me too. Dana, Alyssa, Julia, and Marissa, Jen. Yeah, no, today's game day, so I'm excited. It's the first game back, at least for me, since we came back to school, and so now we're just practicing and rehearsing. We have more friends though. Hey friends, say hi. Hey. That's Allie, she just came back from abroad. That's Kat, hey. That's Erin, she came back from abroad too. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Yes, Lids Live, hashtag. Hey! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't know. I plan on it. I plan on it. So Talia's upset that she wasn't in the vlog earlier, so she's showing off right now. But yeah, first game back. Get excited. Do I have lipstick in my teeth? No? Okay, good. But yeah, we'll see you later. I probably won't have my camera on me during the game because it's not allowed. So I'll see you guys later, but I'm recording the routine with this camera, so no big deal. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. I'll see you later. See you later. See you later. Just had a wardrobe change. We're about to perform our halftime routine in like 2 minutes. I'm so nervous. Oh my god, we just learned like everything like 2 days ago, so wish us luck. Pick up a couple things before this blizzard comes and hits Maryland. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, I'm just going to Target to pick up a couple things. Ooh, look at that light, that glow. I'm kidding.
Don't you dare slow down.
Hey, hey.
No longer.
This car is looking at me like I'm crazy.
Push harder. You're almost there now. So go lover. Can't help but wait till you see it. He ain't the same. Can't help but wait till you see you for what you really are.
Fun fact, that whole time I was just dancing to that song, there's a lady next to me on the phone, and she's laughing right now. I'm so not embarrassed, so it's okay. Bye.
In case you were wondering what that little burst of excitement is for, it's because our campus is closing at 12 o'clock today, which means I only have to go to one class. Happy snow day. Thanks, Loyola.
I'm out in the snow! It's actually snowing pretty hard outside. Oh my god, it's like sticking onto my eyelashes. Hopefully I don't eat S-H-I-T as I make my way down to Iggy's. Ooh, but it's so pretty outside. Holy crap. You guys have to see it. I'm gonna turn it around right now. Isn't it so pretty? I'm a sucker for snow. Even though I hate it low-key, I still love it low-key. You ever get like that? But yeah, so I'm gonna focus on the ground so I don't fall. I'll see you guys later. We're going to give a cake to Steph because it's her 21st birthday! Woohoo!
It's Friday, we turn. It's a lituation right now. Yeah, shout out to Naomi.
Hey!
She ain't lit though. Steph ain't lit neither. I don't know what's going on right now. Lydia, she's kind of lit. Nah, fuck her. She ain't lit. She ain't lit. Stop playing. Fuck her.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Steph! Excuse me. Hi, Lydia. I love you. Thank you for helping me celebrate my 21st. Oh my god, I look so good. Don't put this in your vlog. You good?
Great decisions at like 3 o'clock in the morning.
Now you're gonna fall. Here we go. Here we go.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, there's literally so much.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
All it is though. But then again, it's all from the middle being pushed.
The snow looks so much prettier during the daytime than it does at night.
Outside or in another country. Sorry.
Guys, my shoes have no grip. I'm going to slide.
I gotta take baby steps. Slide your feet.
Oh my god. Fun fact, those guys down there are playing football. They're bold. Looks kind of fun. Can't even lie. Huh? Like, there'll be snow, but nothing like major. They said we're supposed to get 3 feet. That's a bold. They say that every time and nothing happens. So my thing is I'll believe it when I see it.
You